Hey, it's your boy Joey. It's been a really long time again, my bad. Uh, Between my own depression because of my health issues, losing my job, and then almost dying because of my asthma, I haven't done anything in a while, and then my uncle had a stroke, and some of you might recognize where we are. I've moved in with my uncle. But we're here for a more specific reason. Not gonna film much today. I'm just gonna clean the truck out. But you can see this right there. That's right where the power steering gearbox is. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Let's get down this way. That's Big Bad Mama Jama. It's got a crack around here somewhere, I think. It might be on the top side, I can't tell. But this cap could pop off. And it's really bad when you're trying to steer. And I'm realizing, like, this bushing is gone. And since my uncle can't drive, interesting. Sorry. ADHD issues there. Getting tested for that soon. Can't drive. Oh, probably never will be able to drive. He's got an issue with this eye. And after the stroke and everything, it's just probably not going to happen. He's probably got a good 10 years left. He'll get to 90 years old. He's 80 right now. Things are, for the most part, really positive. But I'll be driving his green 97 Grand Prix. It's got like 20,000 miles on it, most of them put on by me. It's been in videos before, I'm pretty sure. But we're gonna strip this baby down to the frame, pull everything off the frame, get it stripped and coated. We'll get the transmission built. We're just gonna go through everything. It's been decided we're gonna do a hater pipe, which would be the exhaust coming out of the hood. I think for that project, we're gonna reinforce this somehow and just make it good enough for now. And then when I finally decide to order the fiberglass hood, get that painted. But I'm gonna pressure wash the piss out of this, clean it up, and send it everything to Mako and do the cheapest paint job I can, because I don't want to be seeing any of this or this, and I just want fresh paint job on it. Pull the doors off, pull everything out. We'll drop off the cab. Should be pretty cheap because it's just cab doors, the inside. This will be all empty too, of course. But yeah. Oh, we have this on here because I'm going to be listening to the stereo on here because I don't have my stereo here. Oh. AGM. Let's just go 2 amp maintain. Voltage is a little bit low, but of course I just started it. It's about 44 degrees Fahrenheit. But when it was below freezing, something would happen with my batteries. I don't know what, but after a day or just overnight, they would be dead. 11.5, I'm not mad because I started it, sat there, and then I had the radio booming for like 20 minutes. It's acceptable. But yeah, I'm gonna put this down, I got some exploring videos I need to do on this house because it's virtually, for the most part, unchanged from the 60s. A little bit of painting here and there, some new carpet, little things like that. But there's some really cool stuff. But yeah, that's for another day. I'm gonna peace out and get this cleaned up. Probably gonna see about selling the flatbed because I don't like this one and have a custom frame built and build a camper on it. But that's for a future project. Yeah. Oh, and you can see like this bumper needs to get recoated professionally, stripped and coated. And I need new headlights. Just a lot of things on this truck. So this way I can fix everything properly. Oh, I should probably tell you what I did here. Full disclosure, while trying to fix the power steering pump leak, the high pressure line here going to the brake booster was loose. I had to pull this off, which I didn't put it back on properly. But this here zapped on the TCM, transition control module, and fried the ground. Which I don't really mind. It's a common issue that they just go bad anyways because of where it's mounted. And all the wires are bad still. So I got to figure out how to fix that properly. And this is holding the wires up. And I put it on the fender bolt, which is raised up, which means it's not really screwed in there. It's just a lot of issues. Some of it's because it's an old truck with 300,000 miles on it. Some of it's because I jumped it at the dunes. But the motor runs. But anyways, peace out. We're gonna start the radio, get this thing cleaned up. And when there's more sun out, we'll start taking things off.